So I had the idea to use the stock vstar mounts for the front turn signals, the rubber ones, to mount these cool little bad boys right here with the 10mm stud. So I figured best thing to do was you take this and you wallow out a hole. Wallow out a hole for your nut. You whittle the nut down so that it fits in there, but it locks into the slot and it holds just fine. You hacksaw this metal end off and then buzz it a little bit with a nice air grinder. Doesn't do any harm, and your end result ends up looking like that. It looks good. Stock mount fits in there nice and tight. You still have your rubber springy action. All the wires still go exactly where they're supposed to go. No aftermarket buying of clamps.